Hey guys, today we're talking about when orthotics need to be replaced. Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. Nooreen, your resident foot and ankle specialist, and welcome back to my channel. I almost said welcome back to my clinic. So you guys, today we're talking about when orthotics need to be replaced, and this is a pretty straightforward answer. So when you get a new pair of orthotics, which again, let me just take mine out, I wear orthotics every day, you guys. Okay. Because when you get a new pair of orthotics, they have a particular structure and shape to them. The frame of the orthotic was built a certain way to address your pathology and whatever is going on with your foot and ankle pain. Now, when this frame starts to maybe bend a little bit easier, isn't as stable as it used to be, it might be time to get a new pair of orthotics. If there are modifications on your orthotic that are flattening out or wearing down, it might be time to get a new pair of orthotics. Generally, custom orthotics should last you a couple of years, like 1 to 5 or 6 years, sometimes even more. So I'm going to show you guys my orthotics. These are my old pair, like literally falling apart, right? This pair I had for 5 years. I wore them every single day, and I even still wore them when they were this jaggedy and literally falling apart, just because I didn't have time to get a new pair. But I finally sat down, made the time to get a new pair, and this is now my new pair. Obviously you can see the difference between the two, right? This is completely torn apart. It's literally, the top cover is completely off. Super flexible, not as good as my new pair, which is pretty well put together. So those are some ways you can tell whether or not your orthotics need to be replaced. Mine definitely did. They finally are. So that's all I have to say about replacing orthotics. If you guys have questions about it, please leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stretch and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.